Thank you.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are traveling to a new destination. We'll tell you when we reach there. It's about a 5-hour flight from Changi Airport in Singapore, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Just across, yeah?
Hi, 31A.
A is down.
Yeah, thank you.
तो हमारा सीट जो है बिल्कुल पीछे की तरफ है प्लेन के, पूरा पीछे नहीं, बट समवेयर इन द मिडल.
Hi, welcome.
And we're off. हम अभी पहुंच चुके हैं ताइवान. ये नया डेस्टिनेशन है हमारे लिए, एंड होपफुली विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन. बट सबसे पहला एंड मोस्ट ज़रूरी काम जो है वो है पेट पूजा. और सब थोड़ा खाएंगे और फिर यहाँ से ट्रेन लेके सिटी में जाएंगे, और थोड़ा ट्रेन भी दिखाएंगे आगे कैसा टिकट वगैरह लेते हैं एंड कैसा सिटी ट्रैवल करते हैं. So if you want to buy a card like this, which is the easy card for MRTs, buses and travel, just outside the airport, you know, on the way to the MRT, you can buy the card here. So the cost of the card is 100 Taiwanese dollars, which is roughly about 4 Singapore dollars. Once you purchase it from here, you can top up the card at the MRT only using cash. So remember to carry cash if you want to top up the card.
We're at some bubble tea shop. We've come to this place called Coco Cafe. And actually reality is हमको change चाहिए था to recharge the card. So we just ended up buying a tea. So we ordered some black tea latte. By the way, Taiwan is very famous for bubble tea.
The rating out of 10.
I would say 6 because this is not my choice, it's yours. What's your take? Liar.
9 on 10. Some stuff.
That's only because he's chosen it, he's saying it's 9 or 10. That's actually bubble tea without the boba, which is
Just
sad.
tea.
Sad.
Just tea.
Please put the card on the inductive. Please insert banknotes.
And everyone make sure you guys carry some cash because these sub machines change dispense nahi karte, so it's going to be very difficult. That's the reason we had the bubble tea.
Adding value in process. Adding value completed.
And
Transaction completed. Thank you.
all ready to go.
So हमको जाना है ताइपे मेन स्टेशन, right? And ये ट्रेन सिर्फ 3 स्टेशन पे रुकता है, and you can see A8, A3 and A1. So we need to go to A1, which is Taipei main station.
एयरपोर्ट से 1 घंटा लगा है. 1 घंटा 20 मिनट लगा है. अब अंदर जाके चेक इन करते हैं, फिर रूम का एक थोड़ा सा टूर दे दीजिए.
Alright, let's give you guys a small room tour. So as you come into the room, there are 2 separate areas for the shower and the toilet, which is good. यहाँ पे wash basin है, small wash basin here. And then you walk into the room, nice door to open the room up. Then you have the twin beds here. Unfortunately, we got the twin beds this time, but that's okay. You have the TV, nice big TV. You have water. Got water outside. You can take it. It's complimentary. Then you have a big sofa here with a table that you can do some work on. Then you have this nice little view here, and that's it. It's a small room tour. Say hi.
So we are now at Ximending Night Market. This is quite close to our hotel, just 4 stops by bus. So we reach here in about 7-8 minutes. And it's an amazing walking district. Let me just show you guys. So on both sides you have different kind of shops, cafes. बहुत बबल टी वगैरह मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हैं. गाने वाने वगैरह चल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. very amazing and unique style of making tea. See that? Time for the taste test.
Yeah. Can you get me another straw, please? Taste test. Very nice.
So this behind me here is the famous Red House building in the Shimending area, and ये जो building है, it's a heritage building. 1908 में ये building बना था, and it's very popular here. One of the heritage sites, has a lot of markets, theaters inside. So we just bought this from here. This is the best Noga shop in Taiwan. This is also on Shimending. So if you're here, don't forget to come here. Good morning, guys. Today is our second day in Taipei and it's just about 11 o'clock. एक छोटा सा plan बनाया है. Always things don't go according to plan, but let's see what we can cover today. We'll show you each and every spot. So next to our hotel, the very first thing that we have come to see, अभी तक actually खाना भी नहीं खाया है, थोड़ा बाद में breakfast भी जाके करेंगे. But the very first thing that we have come to see is the Huashan 1914 Creative Park. So the main idea behind this park is that it earlier around the 1914 or before that, it was a factory. What factory was it? Probably what factory was it?
Wine.
It was a wine factory. So once the wine factory wasn't making wine anymore, they converted it into a creative park. So now it
was
has,
called Butterfly Sake.
it was called Butterfly Sake. So now it's more or less a recreational area. You have a lot of shops here. You have, you know, some places to eat, some small creative art centers, and so on. So it's a good place to explore. We'll see what all we have here.
So now we're going to this place called Chun Shui Tang. This one is quite famous for bubble tea as well. This is the first ever bubble tea that was invented in Taiwan. A bit of the interiors. Alright guys, it's here. We got it.
So I got the brown sugar milk tea from this place called Small Happiness. Very, very nice. There's no boba in this. It's just milk tea and brown sugar.
Brown sugar milk.
Yeah. And I also got this grilled cheese sandwich. Also very nice.
And I got something called bubble tea, of course. And this is from this place called Chun Shui Tang. This one actually claims to be the first ever bubble tea shop opened in Taiwan. So, time to taste.
Taste test time. This is 10 on 10.
It's also pretty good.
It's also pretty good.
Actually, I like all bubble tea.
Also 10 on 10. This is our second stop for the day, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Chiang Kai-shek was the leader of the Republic of China, and after losing to Mao Zedong's forces in 1949, he came to Taiwan in exile and established the government here. And the people of Taiwan considered him to be a significant leader because he impacted the economy of Taiwan, and it is what it is today.
Taken a break from bubble tea. We're gonna try some coffee at a place called Pure Coffee. I got a sea salt caramel latte, which looks really good. Nice, not too sweet. So once you're done with the temple, you can get a good luck charm from here.
We are at our fourth spot for today, and behind me you can see the iconic Taipei 101 building. It was once the tallest building in the world, 508 meters. Still remains one of the most iconic places to visit in Taipei. So when you're here, please check it out. So we are at the famous Din Tai Fung in Taipei 101. We've ordered a couple of things, some steamed dumplings and red bean rice cake. It's about 15 to 20 minutes waiting. We've taken a takeout, 2 hours waiting for dine-in, can't wait. So we'll just collect it and then we'll show you how the food looks like.
By the way, Din Tai Fung is a Taiwanese chain.
It's a Taiwanese
Fun
chain.
fact. Okay guys, so trying Din Tai Fung. What is that? Is that a rice cake?
Yeah, so
Steamed rice cake.
Firstly, as you guys know, I'm a vegetarian. So if you want to have something at Din Tai Fung, and I don't have mushrooms also. So I've got a red bean rice cake.
Is it nice? No. Is it very hot? No, not that hot. That's a red bean paste, by the way, you can see. Looks good.
So this is also something vegetarians can have
It's
if you
damn
eat
good.
mushrooms.
Din Tai Fung is a very vegetarian friendly place, provided you have tofu and mushroom. Then you can go to this place.
Which I don't, so.
The difficult vegetarian.
Alright guys, we are back to having the basics, craving Indian food. So we've come to the Khana Khazana restaurant as you saw. Having some roti, some chole and some raita here. One of the best ways to explore any city is on foot. And we have seen so many awesome things along the way, whether it's antique shops or whether it's, dark alleys like this. Let me get into some light. If you're exploring Taipei, please make sure you walk around the city. So I was just mentioning sometime back that walking is the best way to discover any city. This is what you discover when you're walking. Random shops and a lot of shopping. Alright guys, last stop for the day. We are at Carrefour 24-hour supermarket. This is about 15-20 minutes walking from the hotel, and we thought why not come here, take a look. Some of the local stuff that you'll get. And this is 24 hours, so it's open all through the night. We can just walk back to the hotel from here. Whatever stuff we get, we'll show you all that in a different video. From here, we're gonna go back to the hotel, and we're gonna just crash for the night. Tomorrow we have a long day, and it's gonna be another awesome video. So, if you guys have watched the channel so far and this video right till the end, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end. We'll see you all in the next video.